So let's have a look and see what you have learned in the first week of the live program of Supercharge Your Spanish Conversation with Speaking Practice. What have you learned that you didn't know at the beginning of the week? So number one, you've learned the Spanish definite articles. Number two, you've learned how to identify Spanish masculine and feminine words, how to form Spanish feminine words as well, and the endings to identify all those words and groups of words like the islands or the colors or the numbers or company names and so on and so forth. What else have you learned? You've learned how to form the Spanish plurals, how to talk in a natural way in Spanish using the correct word order, definite article, noun plus adjective. And you've learned how to match all that information in Spanish to make yourself understood on basic conversation. And you have also learned a few expressions about how to introduce yourself to others in Spanish and use some icebreakers that we have included in the slides in the video lesson. And you also have the Easy Spanish phrasebook to help you with that, as well as the prompts that you can find in the workbook of this week's lesson.